Meaning of Dewey Decimal Classification.
Dewey Decimal Classification.
Dewey Decimal Classification.
Dewey Decimal Classification.
Dewey Decimal Classification. The Dewey Decimal Classification is a system for organizing library materials based on their subject matter. It was created by Melville Dewey in 1876 and is widely used in libraries around the world. The system assigns a unique number to each subject area, making it easier for librarians and patrons to locate books and other materials. The system is divided into 10 main classes, each of which is further subdivided into more specific topics. This allows for a consistent and efficient organization of information in libraries.